Hi everyone, hope you all are doing well. Big news coming from Deloitte company. Deloitte NLA off campus 2026 registration are open now for the engineering track. This is a big update for final year student from BTech, MEMTech, MCA, CSIT and Circuital branch candidate are eligible here. So it's a very big update. Right, and any college are eligible for this hiring. There is no restriction. So big update. Please share this video with your friends, senior, juniors, and whoever are eligible for this hiring. Final year student 2026 batch. In this video, we'll discuss in detail eligibility criteria, selection process, exam pattern, and the most important, your resume, because resume is very important for the screening process. Then only you will get the assessment link. Before this, please do subscribe our channel, like the videos, and also do check channel recent videos. There are many hiring we posted in recent days, in last 2 days, okay, and most of the companies apply link are still active. So please don't miss any update. Wherever you are eligible, just to apply for the companies. If you have any doubt, then please let me know in the comment section. And also do join our Telegram and WhatsApp channel, where also we are posting the jobs update and the interview process, interview preparation material, interview questions, coding assessment, coding questions, assessment questions, and the most important, you can connect with the community, like the other candidate who are also on with you on same page, like they are also preparing. So yeah, and in upcoming drive you will get help also. So please do subscribe our channel and join our Telegram, WhatsApp channel for job opportunity and resources, for interview preparation, guidance, and the rest thing, right? So coming to the Deloitte heading, here we already told you, like these all course branch candidate are eligible here. 2026 batch. 60% is the percentage criteria uh, in current degree only. Okay. Yeah. So if you have less than 60% in 10 12, then I don't think they have any problem. But yeah, in your B Tech, MEM Tech, it should be 60 percentage. And those who applied for any profile of Deloitte US India offices in last 6 months, they are not eligible for this drive because the cooling period is 6 months. But the thing is, you can withdraw that application, and if not also, then if you are not part of the any assessment interview, then I don't think it will count. The cooling period only start once you participated in the assessment or interview. Right. Yeah. So, and if you have already applied, then please withdraw that application. The compensation is 4 LPA plus variable benefit. That's a good. Okay. So you can see here job description, and coming to the exam pattern. First, I am sharing you the resume, how you have to make your resume. Okay. So first thing on your resume, uh, do mention all your name. Okay. Your phone number, your email ID, okay, and the photograph here, correct, and then a two line your summary, like your around, like what on which tech you have master, or like you are working, something like that, your skill set and your profile. Basically, you are a software developer, you are a SAP, you are a Salesforce, okay, you are a front end developer, you are a database engineer, right? And then highlight your skills, like your technical skills means the programming language, DSA, DBMS, SQL, or if you know any front end skill, then HTML, CSS, okay, and so on. Like if you know back end, then also like that, if you know any DevOps skills, so like that you have to consider your skills. And then education details, okay, along with your CGPA percentage, they mention everything. And then any certification, personal project, okay, any courses you have done, and any achievements, right? And then interest, right? And the languages, that's are optional, but you can do mention languages and interest. That's it, no need to hobbies. So this is how you have to make your resume. You can share your resume on our Telegram, Instagram. We will review your resume, and if anything need to be correct, then we'll guide you. Okay, no problem. And also, if you need some good template, some good website, then please ping, do comment. We'll give you the template. We'll give you the good website name, good template also for this, to for making the resume. So please do comment, or you can join our Telegram, Instagram. The next thing is the exam pattern. So the NLA engineering hiring assessment is the test duration is for 90 minutes, and the number of question is 65 questions in the MCQ format and 2 question live programming coding format. Okay, and the assessment level is medium level we can say, but it's easy when you have some preparation. Okay, so the question is for coming for from English 10 MCQ, general aptitude in that we have reasoning 12 MCQ and the quant 10 MCQ, and then we have technical skills 30 MCQs where they will ask question from testing, computer science fundamentals, networking, cyber security, cloud computing, and few questions from MS Office also, right? So this is a very good update, like it's a good section to be a score, and this is a virtual online drive. So virtual online drive, and then they have coding questions, two coding questions. Okay, and you can do code in C, C++, C Sharp, Java, Python in any language. So please do comment. We'll make a dedicated video for this all assessment preparation, assessment topic, assessment questions. लास्ट ईयर हायरिंग क्वेश्चंस, लास्ट टाइम जब एनएलए की हायरिंग हुई थी फॉर फाइनल ईयर स्टूडेंट, तो उसमें क्या क्वेश्चंस पूछे गए थे उस पर वीडियो बनाऊंगा. तो आप प्लीज डू कमेंट इफ यू नीड एग्जाम पैटर्न, एग्जाम प्रिपरेशन रिसोर्स, द नंबर ऑफ name of topic from where the question will ask. Okay, same question, actual questions, then definitely will make a video and upload soon. So please do comment and do apply. If you have any doubt, then please let me know. Okay, so it's very simple. Just you have to click here, apply now, and it's a simple process, right? I hope guys uh, you you cleared everything, you got my point. So yeah, so please do check channel recent videos, and if you have any doubt, then please let me know in the comment section. Thank you guys, thank you, all the best.